What's up, guys? I'm back here again with another video. I know it's been about a month or so now I've last recorded a video of any type of subject, like anything about the 240 or gaming in that state. But today's video is going to be about the 240. I got some new coilovers for it, which is going to be temporarily. I did get them off of Amazon. They were, in my opinion, a little cheap. But I ended up spending roughly almost $300 on them. So yes, I do got the front wheels on, and I plan on probably going with those rims, like refurbished, up to a size 17 or 18, or going with some rotor grids. And if I go rotor grids, I might do, like for the paint color on this car, I might do the sapphire blue that's already on it to redo it, but it does have a two tone different color, because I spray painted some like metallic blue to see what it would look like. Don't worry, I'll be getting a new fender. I plan on doing aftermarket fenders and side skirts on this anyway, but I might stay sapphire blue. I might go like a black metallic or gloss black with some black rotor grids, possibly. And this video is on the coilovers, but I'll post a like full picture on them. They did come with camber plates. I just don't know how to exactly adjust those and mess with them, so I'm not gonna mess with those if I go to get this car aligned, which that's gonna be later down on the road. If I still have these by then, I'll learn how to do it by the alignment people, and later on do it myself whenever I get new coilovers, something like that. But I'm gonna show you that the steering radius, whatever it's called, but the steering still works. So let me get that right up. The one thing I still do have to replace on here is the hub. This isn't supposed to be doing that. This has been doing it like this since I've owned the car for about almost a year and a half, 2 years. And I did spray this blue just because it's an old rim, because it kind of matches that color. But yeah, I gotta replace the front hubs. I might, if I do replace the hubs on them, I'm either leading towards a 5-lug conversion or a 4-lug for the fronts, just to replace them and just have the car moving around, so I can have the car at a good angle to get the engine out. Because the way how I have it at, it was hard to get that engine out. Just how it was. But yeah, gotta always lock this. Don't mind all that. See, it still works. Actually, I think I can show you the color of them. I went with a like a black, well, a blue and gold finish. That's the only option for these they had. I found some other ones, but they wouldn't pop. They would pop out as more. Let me turn it the other way so I can see the full steering lock. Alright, so that's all the way to the right. They look really nice on this. But as I was saying about this fender, it's a two-tone color as of right now, because blue metallic I think I might go with one here. I'm not sure. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments down below on what color I should go. Like say with the sapphire blue, do metallic blue, or go with like a whole different color. Just let me know in the comments below. Excuse that was my watch. But next video might be me taking all this stuff out the engine bay, most likely. Possibly get it ready for paint or or spray paint, not sure. Y'all will see that video up. If not, then I didn't do it. But engine ideas for this, most likely hit like leading towards SR20. If I do SR20, I'm gonna do it built forged internals, single turbo, of course. I'm not sure what type of turbo or how big of a turbo I'm going with, but I do want to put a manual transmission back in this because, as y'all know, the engine is still sitting over there of the KA, and I don't have no transmission in here at all, and I don't have a drag shaft in here no more. That thing was just whopping around on the ground, hitting the ground for me moving it to test that. Sorry about that. The test to make sure that the car was moving how it should be. But yeah, I plan on doing an SR20 DET swap in this. I'm not sure what my price budget is yet. Excuse me. But I'm aiming for around 600 to 800 horsepower with it, or a little bit between 450 up to 700. But if y'all know where I can find one for a good price here in Texas or around the Houston area, hit me up on Instagram or let me know in the comments below. Hope y'all liked the video. I know it's not much, but I did put these coilovers on a few weeks ago. I just haven't been able to make the video on it because I've been busy with work and personal stuff around home and stuff like that. But if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe if you want. I will guarantee to subscribe if you like the videos that I've posted in the past. And one other thing, I'm still gonna get the whole thing. I just haven't been able to find an exact way I had to get the sound deadening out. And if anyone wants some stock 240 S13 rear struts, hit me up. They are used to heck and back, but let me know if y'all want them so y'all can like clean them up and everything. But if you are new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, consider subscribing, because I really want to hit 1K subscribers. But that's the update on the 240. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace out.
I'm out of my mind, out of my fucking mind.